do a little bit of the sights and sounds of not Jamaica, Bahamas, but I'm not going to go too far. Prefer to be off the beaten path. Walk. As in back. It's like that pirate's booty's all locked up. Tá na igreja? Nature and heritage, Bahamian heritage. This mural depicts the relation between humankind and nature. A man black to represent the color, represent the people of Bahamas, and a woman whose ethnicity is less clear because she must represent all women. I don't see the mural, but this one says, oh, ruins. So this is a section, ruins of the first church building in Nassau. Church of England, Old Church Hill. So I guess this is maybe a cornerstone or something of this church, and that plaque is supposed to be here, but it's not here. Mount Batten House. Winner 2017 Certificate of Excellence Heritage Museum of the Bahamas. I have a mask on. That's why it's kind of interesting to read. All right, so this is this building. Interesting. What to do? Stuff. I don't think we're gonna take a tour, but it's the Heritage Museum of the Bahamas. Kind of looks like Pirates of the Caribbean. Cool. Some restaurants, Bahama Barrels. The weather is funky. It's like 79 degrees, but it feels like 102 because of the humidity. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's what me talking about, man. Oh, that's Jamaica, not Bahamas. This be historic Charlestown, 1647. Nice wall. And somebody sleeping. Murals. You know I like murals. I like that one. Hema Fisherman. National Art Gallery of Bahamas. We are open again. And they are closed. We're open again, but they're closed again too. Oh well. This is St. Francis Xavier Cathedral. From the old to the new. How nice. It's actually a nice statue. Okay, so, and this is the first Catholic church in the Bahamas.
Yes, the first
right.
Catholic
It's
church.
beautiful. I took some of the
1885.
1885.
Yeah,
Beautiful,
yeah.
beautiful. Thank you, thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah.
And this beautiful lady Myra, she is helping me so much find some place to eat. Oh wow, this is nice. It's so modern.
So this is the new church here. The old one, you will have more of the old Gothic. This is the new cathedral, so this is where most of the big ceremonies happen. So it's upstairs, downstairs. And there's 3 masses here.
3 masses.
3 masses,
on
1 on Saturday, 2 on Sunday.
Okay. And we're coming up to the 11 o'clock mass.
Yes, we're going to the 11.
How long do mass last?
About an hour and a half.
Okay, that's normal. Well,
Yeah.
for some churches.
Yeah.
Is this a contemporary service?
The one on Saturday is more contemporary. The one on 8:30 is more upbeat for the youth.
Yes.
And the 11 o'clock is also choir, but it's more upbeat than Saturday. So you can get all of the different types depending on what you want.
Do they sing traditional songs, or are these like more?
The 8:30 is more folklore, I would say. The 11 o'clock is more the old church, and the Saturday is more old as well. So 8:30, which just came out,
More upbeat songs. Oh, so nice, so nice. Oh, wonderful. So this is the First Catholic Church, the old one, and we already saw inside the new one. And the wonderful lady, Myra, oh, great. She wrote me up some directions to find some food. I want to eat some fried corn. The original cornerstone for St. Francis Xavier Church was laid on this site by Lady Georgina Adikiran, August 25th, 1885. This stone recalls that event and was unveiled on July 5th, 2010, the 50th anniversary of the erection of the Diocese of Nassau. Most Reverend Patrick C. Pender, Archbishop of Nassau. Wonderful. This is absolutely priceless. Oh, wow. So it's really dark in here. So is this and it's an open door. Wow, this is really cool. So, oh, this is incredible. Wow. That's the nave, where they have this seating off to the side over here, and the organ. Wow. And I guess that's where they baptize. Some of you who are familiar with Catholic churches, you will correct me. I'm sure you will. And let's see. So I guess they still use this for Mass. Let's see, is this another open door? Nope, not quite. And that must be the office or something. Wonderful.